Hi YouTube, this is Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about SIM hacks or SIM compromises. Or if you don't know, the SIM, right, is that little chip in your phone which is basically used to communicate with your phone and your provider, cell tower, Verizon Wireless, AT&T, T-Mobile, whoever it is. So one of the ways that hackers can compromise your SIM and basically compromise everything on your phone is they'll send a text message with a malicious link that'll download spyware to your phone, takes over your SIM, and then that allows the hackers to get access to sensitive data on your phone like email, contacts, passwords, MFA messages, anything else that you would rather not have exposed to the outside world. So bottom line here is never ever click on a text message that says, hey, your phone's been compromised, blah, blah, blah. There's a 99% chance that it's going to end up bad if you tap on that message. Another way is a SIM swap attack. So a hacker will call up your provider and, give them some kind of, it's social engineering. By the way, this is how the MGM properties in Vegas got compromised, but through a social engineering attack. But they'll pose as you and say, oh, my dog died and then blah, blah, blah. And then my phone fell into the ocean and now I need a new SIM. And I can't remember my password because I'm so distraught. And then I tell you that I bought a new puppy and it died the next day. And, blah, blah, some sob story, violin story. So, and maybe they can convince the carrier to do the SIM swap, and if they do, it's going to end up bad for you. That's another way the hackers can get in. Another one is SIM cloning. Now, this usually requires physical access to your phone, but they can take out the SIM card, clone it with smart card software, and then load the clone SIM card onto another phone. So, by the way, this is why you never, ever, ever, ever give your device to a stranger, or somebody that you don't trust or can't trust or don't know if you should trust. So that's one way to prevent a SIM clone. Also, make sure you set up a PIN on your account. Verizon Wireless does require a PIN. Didn't make any changes on the account. That's one way to prevent the social engineering attack. Again, as mentioned, never let a stranger touch your phone. Never click on any text messages unless you know who they are. And even if you know who they are, you may want to vet that text message and make sure it's not going to take you off a cliff. So that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Thanks a lot for listening. Stay safe out there. We'll talk to you soon.